Tarun Talani was having this project in property which is in the village of Salvador Damoon, but within village panchayat of Pomburpa, Ikoshi and Olaule. So this project, villagers knew that this is destroying hills, destroying forest. Complaint gaille, no action was being taken. Finally, after dilly-dallying, the panchayat had also first issued a license, and then it issued a stop work order, but it also revoked that stop work order, and so the work began. So we were forced to come to the High Court. High Court, and we had various pleas. Apart from destruction of forests, destruction of hills, we had specific contention that the approval given in 2023 referred to an approval of 2011. In 2011, they had made an application on 12th of October 2011. The regional plan 2021 was notified on 20th October 2011, so which is after the application. And on 10th November 2011, the plans were approved on basis of the old RP of 2001, not on the 2023. Because in 2021 RP, much of the area is no development area because it is orchard, or it is no development slopes overlapping with orchard. And a very small area, I think about 948 square meters, is settlement. But they had got an approval showing settlement as 2495 square meters, which is much more than even double of what they could have got. And when we pointed this out, the court was impressed with this argument. They tried to contend that the regional plan was stayed, and I pointed out the court the regional plan was never stayed. And I also showed a judgment in the Sisai case which I had argued and which I had won, which showed that High Court specifically said the regional plan was never kept in abeyance. That this statement of regional plan kept in abeyance is sometimes floating around. Many people are being misled, but it's wrong. I even remember Manohar Parrikar promising the people, I will keep in abeyance. Nothing was kept in abeyance, and it was never. And we have the judgment of the High Court which says it. I've showed the judgment so that they could refresh their memory. And then when the court was to pass an order, then the advocate for the respondent said that Tarun Talani said, instead of passing an order, I would like to make a statement that we will not carry out construction. So after lunch the matter was called out, and he made a statement that no further construction will be carried out until the next date of the hearing. And I also asked the court to please ask them to put on record photographs of how the position is today, so that internally, sometimes works will go on. And initially there was a little sort of a discussion by saying that no, you take the photos. And I told the court that we can't take the photos because they're filing cases and FIR against our people. So then the court asked them only to put the photographs on record within 2 days. So the matter is now kept on 20th of February, and I'm very happy that it vindicates the stand of the people. It vindicates the fight of the villagers to save their lands, to save the forests, save the hills, and we can't allow Goa to be destroyed.
Okay, everyday photograph or
ना stop work deal करना आजची पोझिशन किती आहा मागीर फाल्यां भितरल्यान काम केलें आनी भितरल्यान रेडी जालें कंप्लीट जालें आमकां तें आनी नाका. सो आजचे स्टेटस को कितें आहा तें कित्याक मागीर फुडें पळोवपा जाता न्ही कितलें काम जालां आयज ते फाल्यां पासून. ओके तेजेर पटलें. थँक यू. There's one more thing which I want to say. At this hearing, the opponents had come asking for time, and the court said, on the first day we didn't give a stay to them because we felt you should get time to give a reply. But after you have got 4 weeks and you're not filing a reply and asking time, it's not correct that you continue with the work and take time for filing reply. So I want to make this clear that the court itself said why it had not given us a stay on the first day was because of this. Now you hear from
Dhirendra Pardey.
yeah.
Actually, we have started this movement from last 6 months. Kotan, this is almost like 1.5 months. Kotan last matter we got this thing. Court has given them a time period of 45 days. after 45 days, today was a matter. Then today they appear and they said that they want more additional time. Another 2 weeks, 3 weeks time they were asking. Then judge instructed them that time will not be given. 45 days was been given, but they haven't submitted any document, neither any saying. So आयज आतां आमकां कितें आहा ताका almost 4 weeks time आतां हें केल्लो आहा. Within 4 weeks time they said they are going to produce some more documents what they have, but they in fact they don't have any other documents actually. Finally जे सरान सांगलेलें आहा की अप्रुवल्स दिल्ले तितून फ्रॉड आहा, खुबशे फ्रॉड्स आहा. म्हणजे पंचायत लायसन्सीस इश्यू केला, TCP टेक्निकल क्लियरन्स वॉज बीन इश्यूड. That is itself is a fraud because the land which falls in total natural cover area and it is in natural cover area, but planar दाखयल्ले आहा it comes in settlement area. सेटलमेंटान दाखोवन नॅचरल कवरान जाल्ले आहा. हे आतां आयजूच 21ूच न्हू जावं पोमुरपानूच न्हू आख्ख्या गोंयान चल्लेले आहा. हे आतां 21 पोमुरपा जावं ओलावलीम खुबशे प्रोजेक्ट येता आतां. हे आसता मोस्टली कितें आहा, दीस बिल्डर ही इज मिस्टर तरुण तेलानी, हो एक फॅशन डिझायनर आहा. सो he has several projects which is completed in Goa actually. But what these people they feel that they can buy properties, any properties, whether it is orchard asum, agricultural properties asum, they munta we can buy any properties, will pay it to any officers, will settle the officers, and we can build houses, construction, and we can sell the villas for crores of rupees. So but every time हे जातले आता लोक आता भायर सरता, लोकांनी आता हायकोर्टान आमी आता हे केल्ले, आख्खे गांव आमचो भायर सरलेलो. सो हेच्या फुडें कितें जातलें आतां स्टे आमकां मेळ्ळीच आहा. वी गॉट रिलॅक्सेशन फॉर 45 days. आतां ताका अरावंड 30 days आतां मेळ्ळे आहा फुडले ते रिप्लाय करपाक तांकां. सो तेच्या फुडें आमकां मागीर आनी मॅटर चलतले कोर्टान. बट आतां कितें म्हणटा हे जे तेंचें चलता पळय हे कन्स्ट्रक्शन आतां फुडें आहा पळय ते स्टॉप जातले आनी वी आर गोइंग टू गेट जस्टीस. सत्यमेव जयते.